Hello YouTube subscribers. Today we are going to try something a little different and cook chicken out on the grill. First we're going to light the fire and then we'll get the chicken and put that on and we'll show you that video. Alright, we're going to light the fire now. What I got in here is a chimney, Kingsford charcoal, newspaper in the bottom to light it. That way you don't have to use any lighter fluid. Alright, got that lit. It'll be probably 15 minutes before it gets lit, and we'll pour the hot coals in the bottom of the grill. And we'll get the chicken too. Alright, so right now we got the fire lit and it's smoking really good. We're just waiting for that to get good and hot. Cooking everything on a Weber kettle grill. I think these chimneys are some of the best things. Alright, we'll come back when we're ready to put the chicken on. Okay, I believe we got the fire hot enough. We're going to pour the coals in the grill. Putting the grate on. Let that heat up for a second. I'll go get the chicken. Alright, we're back again. We're going to put the chicken on. And got some chicken here with some seasoning on it. I always use a different set of tongs to put it on than I do to turn it. Using the indirect method. So I'll sear these. Then we'll put the rest of them on. We'll let those sear. Turn them. So again, using the Weber kettle. It's a good grill. Got both vents, upper and lower, fully opened. Alright, we're going to take a peek. Especially on these ones directly over the coals. That's how I want it to look. Don't want them to burn. This will kind of sear them. Alright. Just cook for a little bit longer. So the purpose is to sear them, then we put them on the cool side of the grill to cook them some more. Alright, we're going to check these again. Oh, so that's how we need to have it. Like golden brown. So flip these again. This one, I can move these guys over. I need to put this one in the fire. There we go. Kind of cautious when I cook chicken. So, anyway, we will be right back. So I just want to tell everybody that this is my first cooking video. And a little rough, but hope everybody likes it. Just my first one, so I'd like to do more of them. I would like to do more of them earlier, but just haven't had a chance. We'll swing the camera around so you can kind of look at my smoker. That's my smoker. That's also Weber. It's a Weber Smoky Mountain, 18.5 inch. It's got 2 cooking grates, one top, one in the middle. Got a water pan and a charcoal pan. Need to break this out. We'll smoke something. If anybody watches the video, you just might leave a comment what you would like me to smoke. Ribs, chicken. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this. Smoke something next time. Alright, we're going to move these chicken over to the cool side of the grill. So I believe keep this one up front. So this kind of slow cooks them now. That one's a little thick. I might leave that guy there. Put him there. I said don't want them to burn, but I don't want them to be undercooked. This way they kind of slow cook. That guy right there. So you over and put the rest of the chicken on. If we can fit it. That fire is hot, I'll tell you what. Very, very hot. Alright, so we got the rest of the chicken on. Got that moved over to that side of the grill. Got that cooking. Probably have to adjust some of those around and move everything back as it goes along. Alright, we're going to flip again. Especially these. This. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Those aren't the brown I want, and this isn't either. Those four will end up moving over here, and I bet you we can start moving these back. To make room. That one worries me. Let's put that right there. Put that right there. Let those cook. Good little grill. Alright, so those are the chicken we cooked first. These are the chicken we cooked second. And those are still kind of cooking and searing. So these are probably done. After we get through with all these chickens, we're going to put barbecue sauce on them. So, anyway. Fire is glowing pretty red. I don't know if you guys probably can't see it from there. So, but it's glowing really hot and red. Cooking those. We're gonna have some good chicken to eat. Oh shit.
What?
Okay, here we go. And let's let these chickens sear. So we can flip these over. Nice and golden brown. This is how you want them again. That one can be moved. Flip that one. That one can be moved. So we got those flipped. These three will come over here. Let everything cook for another 5 minutes. So anyway. Sorry for the S word, but stuff happens. And anyway, after these get cooked, we're going to put barbecue sauce on them. Alright. These can be moved over. Another few minutes, 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, we'll put some barbecue sauce on. Alright, so today we're going to be using the Stubbs barbecue sauce, original. It's a pretty good barbecue sauce. My son likes it, so we'll try that out. You want to go get a brush, please? Alright. So my son is going to go get the brush for me. Brush this barbecue sauce on here. Let it sit for another couple minutes. And then we'll take them off the grill. And we'll just kind of stay right here. So, like I said, got my Weber Smoky Mountain right there. And if anybody wants to comment what they want me to cook on it, smoke, Alright, we're putting that barbecue sauce, a good barbecue sauce on there. God, this stuff smells good. It smells really delicious. I don't think I've ever put the stubs on anything on the grill before. Basically, you want to heat up the barbecue sauce on the chicken. That fire's still hot, guys. Tell you what. Alright, now we'll flip those over and we'll put sauce on the other side of them. There's a little piece there. I bet you this stuff's going to be really good. Might need a little more of this stuff. Kind of reminds me of an Arby's sauce in a way. Alright, so we're doing this second side. Here I had to pause the video, I had some company. So we're doing the second side of this chicken, putting barbecue sauce on. So we didn't miss much. Hopefully the sound is good and everybody can hear me. Alright, so we're going to let that sit for 2 minutes. And then we'll take it off, put it on a platter, take it in the house, serve it. Alright, taking this chicken off the grill because it's time to eat. We've let that sit for a couple minutes. As you can see, the barbecue sauce is starting to get thick on it. I don't know if you can see it too well, but that's the way you want it. This chicken is perfect. Oh shit. Well, I dropped a piece of chicken, so, but I think I can still salvage it. I'm going to eat it, because that's a waste. What do you think? I will eat that piece. I'll dust the dirt off. Alright, so when you get done with your grill, you're going to want to close the dampers on it. Mine has a lower damper and a top damper, which puts out this fire, unless you don't want charcoal the next time. That charcoal's about gone, so it doesn't really matter if I do that or not. Thank you for watching, and let's get another look at this chicken. Boy, if you guys could just smell it. Alright, thank you for watching.